Hi there, I'm Christina from hairromance.com, and today I have a very simple updo that you can do in all different hair types. Let's get started. For this hairstyle, you're just going to need an elastic headband and a few bobby pins. And you don't need to know how to braid or do anything special, so it's really easy to do. Probably the hardest part of this hairstyle is actually getting the headband to sit around your head. Sometimes your head shape just doesn't want to hold a headband. Mine will do that sometimes. So I start at the beginning working out how I want the front to sit. Now I've got some shorter layers. I'm going to pull these out at the front so I can make this a little bit softer, and I'm going to pull a few of these pieces out. You can leave as little or as many as you want out, entirely up to you. Now I sort of know where I want that front to sit. I'm going to angle the rest of my hair straight back. So while I have like a slight center part with my bangs layers here at the front, the rest of my hair is going all the way back. Then the weird bit is taking this hair elastic, and we want to place it over our heads so that one part is sitting here just at the front and the rest will be down underneath that little bone at the back of your head. So this is never that simple, and let's just see how it goes. So it goes on and then sits under there, and if I let that go, it'll start, I can already feel it wanting to jump back up, and you might have something like this happen. That's okay, we'll persevere and I will show you how to fix it. And especially if you've just got that, like my hair just wants to keep jumping back up, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. All right, so we've got our headband on, it's starting to want to move. So I'm going to pull it back in place, pull my hair down, pull this headband back in place. Absolutely try and get that bone at your back of your head to hold it down. And I'm just going to grab a bobby pin and I'm going to slide it through my headband here, and same again on the other side. And so that is already holding it in such a better place. So now what we're going to do is actually just roll our hair back, tucking it into the headband. So I've placed those pins a little bit up higher here. So when I start tucking, I'm going to tuck behind those pins so they're not in the way. And depending on how long your hair is, you can wrap it around a few times, but I'm going to be really rough here and just tuck it straight in so that I don't have too many knots or things to pull out afterwards. This is a great style for, third, fourth, fifth day curls, whatever you're at. And it's also great in straight hair as well. So in just a few tucks, I've got all my hair shoved around there, but we're looking a little bit funny here at the front, so I'm going to show you how to fix that up. First of all, I'm going to start by just tucking this around. I'm going to use my hands to kind of sausage my hair around and tuck it down low, but then also pull it a little bit softer, just so that it balances out. I have a lot of hair, so it has to balance out that way. Now at the sides, this is where I'm going to grab a couple of extra bobby pins, and I'm going to look into the mirror and just decide how I want them to sit. So see how this one's bulging a little bit? This one's pretty good. So I'm going to just get the top section there, loop a pin in, and then push it down. And what that's going to do is just help anchor that headband in place a little bit more. And then on this side, where it's bulging out a little bit, I'm going to tuck that in tighter. Just tucking it around like that. And then I'm going to take a bobby pin, grab that hair, and then push that down so that it's totally secured. That isn't going anywhere. It's really comfortable, and all of my hair is up off my neck, which I just love. I don't want to have it in the way. So winter or summer, this is a great hairstyle because it's not going to get knotted up in your scarf, and it's not going to get all hot on your neck. This is one all year round. And I want to thank Elizabeth on Instagram who tried this style again recently and reminded me of it. And that is why I'm doing another quick tutorial, because I forgot how much I liked this hairstyle as well. So look, I'm not going to do any more finishing on it. I'm just going to leave it like this. But this is a style that you can make your own. You want to go more cottagecore, pop some flowers out the back here. You want to add another headband at the top that has more detail, make it wedding ready with a beautiful big satin headband. Look, honestly, there are so many things you can do to really make this style your own. And another little version you could do is, instead of using the elastic, you can use a scarf. is a little bit harder because sometimes having that stretch makes it much easier to tuck your hair around it. But if you had the elastic headband and a scarf, maybe I should do that one next. Let me know what tutorials you would like to see in the comments. And if you try this, please tag me on Instagram like Elizabeth did. I love to see it. I'm at Hairomance. If you like easy hairstyles, please like this video and subscribe so you'll be the first to see my next tutorial. And you can find more over on hairomance.com. Have fun with your hair and I'll see you next time. Bye.